but I just wanted to go through that, you know, water ice is a very profitable product to make. So it's, you know, we like to stay around 85% gross profit, and the ingredients cost is anywhere from 10 to 15%, depending on what you're putting in. So this is just a simple base, some stabilizer, some sugar. The ingredients cost could go up. Say we were making a mint chocolate chip, because we're throwing the chocolate chips in, or if we made a cream ice where we would be adding you know, soft serve mix or something of that sort, that would make the ingredients cost go up. Still very profitable, very easy to do. We're just rounding down on this batch here, and then we'll be getting it out for you. All right, so now we're ready to take it out. As you can see, it looks full and cold and firm. And what we're looking for is to look like creamy mashed potatoes. So let's see how that looks. Yep, there we go. We're gonna shut off our refrigeration and let this fill. We're using our 2-gallon bucket. And the little extra that's up here, you know, you could scoot towards the chute. It's important, do not stick the spatula in there. Okay. Look at that, how smooth that is. So we filled up this bucket, and the good thing about this machine is it's going to yield you more than the 12 quarts, simply because filling up the neck. So yeah, that's one of the benefits about our machines, is yields you more than the 12 quarts, which is okay. You know, you can obviously serve this as well in this bucket and have the other one as the backup, or if you're selling pints and quarts, that's what you could use the extra for. Okay. One of the rules is always have a bucket underneath. Don't want to learn that one the hard way. Now we have our Shirley Temple water ice. So what we're going to do is grab our spade. We're going to use a cup. Just look at that right there. I'm trying to make this neat, but I just really want to eat it.